This is SJ6 Legend 6. It's compact and can record a maximum of 4K videos, that too for a budget of less than 10,000 rupees. I have seen some other action cameras from different brands that are capable of recording 4K videos but not for this price. In this review, I share my experience with this action camera, which includes good, bad and some video samples too. Starting with the overview, this SJ6 action camera is very light in weight and easy to carry in the pocket. It feels premium in hand and I never thought it comes under this cost. Even the overall size is also very small. For me, it feels like the size of the TWS earphones case. Coming to buttons, there are 3 that do all the work in this action camera. If you press this big button on the top, it starts recording videos or clicking photos. The battery is even smaller than this camera. This is a 1000 mAh battery that lasts for a few minutes. Yes, action camera batteries only last for some minutes no matter how much value it is. The major reason is its size. Coming to usage, I used this one to record videos at 1080p 60 fps almost all the time. Sometimes I shifted to different formats during the testing of video quality, but most of the time with 1080p at 60 fps. Here are the video samples of this action camera. I tested mostly with motovlogging because you can observe how it handles in fast-moving environment and sudden changes in lighting. I tested during the daytime and nighttime conditions. This is the video footage of 1080p 60 fps. I like to record at 60 fps for fast-moving objects. One thing I noticed is if you shift from 1080p to 4K, there is a crop factor that comes into the picture which zoomed into 1.5 times or 2 times. I'm not sure about how much it is, but it is zoomed in if you shift from 1080p to 4K. Also, I noticed the heating issues when I record continuously in a steady place. If I record while driving the bike, due to the airflow, it's not that much heat. Note that heating issues depend on weather conditions and ambient temperature where you are using this. When I look into the recorded footage of this action camera, the quality of the footage is pretty decent. In one word, it's good. For this price, it's good. Here are some different video samples. If you observe the quality of the footage, it looks okay for the price you are paying. These different modes are not useful every time you hit the record button, but sometimes it does. Also, I noticed this when I am recording continuously on my bike. After reaching close to 4 GB, it stops recording, which is close to 19 minutes. But right after that, it starts recording again with a new file name. Maybe I think it's restricted to these terms to not record more than 19 minutes or if the file size is more than 4 GB. Even I thought in another way, like maybe this camera is hotter because it's a sunny day at that time. But if it is heated up, then why does it continuously record again without even a break? Coming to storage, there is no micro SD card provided in the box. You need to buy separately. If you want to know more about the options in this action camera, I already uploaded a video on that. You can find that in the cards or at the end of this video. Now let's talk about the display of this action camera. I'm not 100% sure about the display while I'm buying this one. I felt that the touch response rate was not going to be good, but I'm wrong. Totally wrong. I didn't expect this in this one. The touch response rate is good. Even the outdoor visibility is also good and manageable. I didn't find any setting to increase or decrease the screen brightness. Sometimes I noticed little lags while operating the screen. It's like 0.5 out of 10 times and you won't notice at all most of the time. When it comes to camera interface, the options are very easy to understand and there are many are there. You can change the video formats by pressing the side button or by touching the screen. And there are different modes are available to use this action camera in different conditions. If you want to know more about this, check out the video link which is in the description area. In the box, you get a lot of accessories that are used to use this action camera in different conditions. There is a watertight case and some 3M clips that can be mounted on helmets, bikes, bicycles, etc. This is a good thing because you don't need to buy them separately, but you get only one battery in the box. Coming to usage, where you can use this action camera means you can use it for motovlogging or as a car dash cam, for normal video recording, clicking photos and more. Now it's time to talk about the things which are not good in this one. Number one, there is no external mic support is there, which is a must to get a quality audio while you are on the go. If you use this action camera for motovlogging, then you need to record audio separately. Next one is this action camera comes with a very old USB for charging. You need to carry a cable along with you every time. Another one is heating issue. If you record continuously in a single place, you observe heating issues. And last one is it takes too much time to charge. In between 2 hours 30 minutes to 3 hours it is taking to charge completely, that too for 1000 mAh battery. So the final verdict is, if you want to try an action camera for the first time and you don't have any prior experience, means you can buy this. Also, if you want an action camera under 10,000 rupees without any external mic support, a USB slot for charging, means yes, you too are welcome. Comment below with your thoughts about this one. Check the links and related videos in the description box. See you again in the next one. Take care.